Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off message and call notifications in your car. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then get into Bluetooth, and that will show you all your Bluetooth devices in that list. Then just find your car in that list. I'm just gonna open up my Xiaomi Smart Band Bluetooth connection because it works with any connections in the same way. And right here you can find that share system notifications feature that may be called like show notifications or something like that, and then just toggle this feature off to turn off this feature. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.